My name is Marilay Lani Maglaki Tamat in Salon de Oliva, Palm Gulf Agency. They provide me job opportunity in Saudi Arabia without processing fees. Thank you so much for all the team in the agency.
Good evening, ladies. My name is Quinichel Martinez Cabigas. I work in Salon, Sir Ayagot Ladies Beauty Salon. Opportunity in Saudi Arabia. Thank you to Bound Gulf Agency. The opportunity to giving us here in Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much all the effort and the employer to give us.
My name is Huda Mahamud from Salon Munan Shahad. For Bound Company Agency, thank you for the job and the opportunity. And thank you also for providing me to come back in Saudi without asking any amount from the agency. Thank you so much for the effort towards the agency in Philippines and in the Saudi especially. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being a part of your company.
Good evening. My name is Jeanette de la Cruz Hipolito. Bound Gulf Company Agency, they provide me an opportunity in salon, working in salon in Saudi Arabia without any processing fee. I was hired now as a beautician, hairdresser in Salon de Oliva. Thank you so much for all the effort of the team in the agency. They also give us and provide us all the chances to communicate to all the employer. Thank you so much.
Hello, good evening. I'm Lorraine Acosta in Salon de Oliva. Bound Gulf Agency, they provide me a job opportunity to work in Saudi Arabia. Thank you very much. And they provide me a good job, and we can call our employer, and then they give us more chance to work in that area.